I said he's gonna do. I know he got a boat like that. You know what I'm saying? He's trying to get the thing. He get back to 41. My birthday next month. I'm gonna be on the boat. You know what I'm saying?
They doing a lot of cruises out this year, this time.
All the people, they been calling me up. That's all it is. I could have real cool, but my cousin, but I told him, man, it ain't the right time.
All right, whoa. Boom down just a little bit. We gotta get over a tree and then we're clear.
Alright, that'd be good. You can cable down. Now, let me hit that skid pan.
All right, you about 2 foot. Come on down. Come on down. About a foot. All right. Touchdown. You can call cable down. All right, guys, so we're doing a cleanup on the dock today. Got me a little Mini X set down here and a big pile of dirt and a conveyor. And I got a 275-ton crane sitting up top. We're lowering down skid pans, filling them up full of dirt, and then raising it back up to the top, piling it up there. But we got to get all this dirt. This is a year's worth of shoveling down here from the tail pulley of that conveyor and what's up on there. I pulled the little building out that was down here so I could have a little bit more room. There's a little wooden shed that was sitting right there. You can see the imprints of the dirt on the siding of it. Yeah, we're just doing a little cleanup. Thought I'd make a little video of it. I don't have a build video ready just yet, so I figured I would film this.
What if I drop my phone? I wonder who you owe some money, because he ain't gonna work today.
He
He
said
been
he,
trying to hit people up. He trying to get that money. That's what I'm gonna do. You know, I'm about to put it out in the phone. He called my name.
All right, so we are done with the cleanup. All this was filled up with dirt. All that, you couldn't get back there. It was packed in. That conveyor was all packed in all the way up to the conveyor belt. There's a new conveyor belt sitting right there. We're gonna replace the conveyor belt that's on this conveyor Monday morning. All that's gone. See that big old pile that was on the other side of this conveyor, it's gone. All that back in there is clean. 4 days of hard work, but sure looks better.